Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on the XRP Ledger. Trust me, this is an amazing opportunity to catch some serious alpha in crypto right now. Just take a look at the insane ROI on these meme coins. For example, Corgi coin has skyrocketed by 90,000% in the past 24 hours, and $589 coin is up a mind-blowing 14,000% in the same time frame. These numbers are absolutely wild. So, in this video, we're going to dive into exactly what tools you need and how you can start trading these meme coins on the XRP network. Let's get started. All right, first things first, you're going to need a Telegram account to use this tool. Just click the link I'm going to drop in the first comment below to set up your XRP wallet account using the First Ledger bot. All right, go ahead and hit the start button. Next, you'll see an open wallet button. Click that to either create or fund your wallet. Keep in mind you'll need 10 XRP to activate your wallet. This amount is what we call the base reserve. It's there because the XRP ledger requires these reserves to prevent the system from being overwhelmed by spam. Let's name your trading account wallet first. You'll also need to set up a password. Once that's done, you'll receive a seed phrase. This phrase is super important for recovering your wallet if needed, but remember, the First Ledger tool won't store this for you. Make sure you don't share it with anyone and keep it somewhere safe. Next, hit Open Wallet again, and you'll get your address to receive XRP tokens. I'll drop a link below where you can buy XRP. Typically, it takes just 1 to 2 minutes for your XRP to land in your wallet address. After your XRP is in, press Open Portal to start viewing and trading meme tokens on the XRP ledger. Just a heads up, these tokens can be super risky, so please don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay safe out there. And hey, if you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe.